Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV Road.
And we're off. One of the last 5 here. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here in Goshen, Indiana, which is about 10 miles from Elkhart, where we have to drop off the trailer today. It's been a very stressful, interesting time since we left Quartzsite. We left there on the 26th. And both of us got sick, so we've been traveling sick on the road. So we left Quartzsite and spent 2 days in Tucson, and then we spent 2 days in Oklahoma. Nope, 2 days in Tucson, 2 days in Texas, 2 days in Oklahoma, 1 day in Elk City, Oklahoma. Let's see. Where were we after we were in Elk City?
We went to Mike and Joyce's, to Kansas. Elk
Okay,
City, we went to Bazine, Kansas.
Oh wait. No, I missed the Dobbs.
The dogs? What are you talking about?
The Dobbs stop. Okay, so
What are you talking about, dogs?
so we went to Texas, Odessa, Texas, and on our way there we took a strange GPS detour through what are those caverns?
Oh, that was from Tucson to Odessa. We ended up going through whatever those caverns are. I don't know. We were both.
I'm sorry, this cough. The caverns, honey bunny. The caverns. Let me see. Let me look here on the map. Or not. Carlsbad. So yeah. So we took a round trip up in the mountains and ended up in Hobbs one night, and then we were in Odessa for 2 nights. And then, oh my goodness, this has just been crazy. And then to Lawton, Oklahoma, then to Elk City, then to Bazine, and now we're here in Goshen, Indiana, waiting for our appointment today. This has been really hard because they want you to empty your tanks. They want you to empty your refrigerator, freezer of everything because it's not going to be plugged in. So it's like you try and eat everything you can and use everything that you can, and you still end up throwing away a bunch of stuff. And then it's like, well, what do we take with us? Because this is our home and we're leaving it in the hands of people. So we've been trying to figure out what to take with us, what we can leave behind, where we're gonna spend tonight.
Yeah.
So we're packing up.
Why don't you just leave this in the big pot and just take the little one with you?
Wait, that's my baby.
I know. We'll just take the little one with you.
Take my...
Why doesn't it
Because
stay
it
in
needs to be repotted. No, leave it in there. I won't take this, but leave it in there for safety.
Okay. What else?
So that's another thing, is just trying to decide what to do because we don't know how long it's going to be. And we have new issues. There's a bulge on the outside by the back door. Let's see, it's right there. And don't know what happened in it. May have something to do with this wall separating here. I don't know if you can see that. I tried to show it. Yeah, right there. It's separating. And then this is, I don't know if you can see that either. That's separating there too. So, you know, it's another thing. So hopefully it won't be more than 2 weeks. So soon we're off to the Alliance dealer and we will show you that. Bye. Yep, wouldn't you know, we're on our way to our appointment at 10. And here's a train. What do you call that, Harley?
Train.
No, but why is this happening?
Because I'm driving.
Okay.
Now we're gonna wait for the same train twice.
Yep.
After 0.3 miles, turn right, North Green Road, then turn left.
Actually, I can remember.
Here's Alliance.
It was Plant 4 or something, right? What is this? That's Building 2.
Receiving lamination.
So all the new trailers waiting to be bought or something.
Yeah. Wow.
Building 2. What are these?
He's going over the list with the guy. So we're leaving our home in the hands of Alliance. Told them about all the repairs that are needed. What you doing there? Oh, snacking. Okay. This is our first meal after being homeless. Not too bad.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Or heating coffee. The wind is so bad though.
We're in some little town in Michigan. In a church parking lot. What you snacking on?
Jelly beans. They're on sale. Easter eggs. Little mini Easter eggs.
On sale Easter candy.
Yeah.
So we dropped our trailer off yesterday, and the limit, no, not the limit, the time frame that they gave us was 2 weeks. Could be more, could be less, depending on what they find when they start taking things apart. So we told them all about everything, even the new stuff we told them about. So, what do you do when you have 2 free weeks without your home?
We go to UP, Upper Peninsula, Michigan. We're going to Sault Ste. Marie.
Because why not? Why not
Yeah.
just keep going and doing
Got
what
about
we want to do and get those things checked off?
1,600 miles of fuel to go through, or
Ooh,
probably more than
alright.
that. Almost
Alright.
2,000 miles of fuel in the truck, so.
It's kind of hard though being in motels. The one we stayed in last night was very nice, very quiet, more than we wanted to spend, but it's nice and quiet, and you get a breakfast
It was a nice breakfast.
with it. Yeah, so I don't know. So we'll see where this 2 weeks takes us. Maybe Brooklyn.
Well, I'm driving there.
No, we're not driving there. Maybe Brooklyn, and then maybe Wisconsin for.
Rest
It depends on how long it takes us to just like get tired of being on the road. Not being on the road, but being homeless on the road. So anyway, we'll take you along with us. Enjoy those jelly beans. These are my choice. This is my choice.
Tell him, man.
Huh?
You should tell him, man, turkeys can fly.
Oh,
One
yes.
Saw a turkey in the road this morning, and then there was another one that flew in front of us yesterday.
Yes. So turkeys can fly. They just can't be dropped from an airplane.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Okay, bye.
Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.